So, I've been trolling F-Man for a day, like a week, for my friend who really believes it's F-Man. So let's see her reaction when I tell her. Yeah. Okay, so my cousin's playing along. Okay. No, but the story is F-Man is nice. It doesn't hack unless you're not his buddy. Yes, I made up the story. She believes it. Okay. So this is my other cat. Yeah. I've been doing this for like a week and a half. Okay. I'm bored. Don't, please. Okay, here we go. And he can talk. Yes, he can talk. His suspension of talking was lifted. Acorn. See, Leak, she believes. Am I real? Did that come up? Sorry, I had to. I pulled this off for more than. Oh. Look what I said. Now I have to say something very important. I had to say it. I couldn't hold it on anymore. Aww. Goodbye.